Welcome to MRL. In this learning session, we'll be learning about a hollow cylinder. A hollow cylinder is a water pipe. You see, if you look at a water pipe, it is a hollow cylinder. It has got two cylinders. One is the inner cylinder, the other one is the outer cylinder. The inner cylinder is of radius small r and the outer cylinder is of the radius capital R. Once if the outer cylinder, inner cylinder is placed within the outer cylinder, we get a hollow cylinder, which is nothing but a water pipe or any cylinder which is hollow. Now, hollow cylinder therefore has four surfaces. One is the base ring, the second one is the top ring, then we have the inner CSA, that is inner curved surface, and the outer curved surface. So therefore, in all, the hollow cylinder has four surfaces, that is the inner curved surface, the outer curved surface, the base ring, and the top ring. Now also, if you look at the base ring, it has got two circles. One is the inner circle, the other one is the outer circle. So the inner circle is of radius small r, the outer circle is of radius capital R. Now the area of the base ring can be found out by finding out the area of the bigger circle and subtracting the area of the inner circle, that is pi r square minus pi r square, which therefore area of the base ring is pi in the bracket r square minus r square, and the base ring and the top ring are congruent rings, and therefore the area of the top ring also is pi r square minus r square. Now the distance between the center of the top ring and the base ring is known as the vertical height of the hollow cylinder. Now the curved surface area, if you want to find out the curved surface area, then we can find out the inner CSA, inner curved surface area, that is 2 pi small rh, and the outer curved surface area is 2 pi capital RH, because both are cylinders. If we cut open this, we get a rectangle. In each case we get a rectangle. Then we can find out the area of each rectangle to find out the curved surface area, and the length of the rectangle will be the circumference of the circle. In this case it is 2 pi r, and in this case the bigger cylinder it will be 2 pi capital R, and the height is h, same. Therefore the inner CSA is 2 pi small rh and the outer CSA is 2 pi capital RH, and the total surface area, if you have to find, then we have to add the inner CSA, the outer CSA, the area of the base ring, and the area of the top ring, and therefore the total surface area is equal to inner CSA plus outer CSA plus area of base ring and area of top ring. Therefore that is equal to 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi capital RH plus pi r square minus r square plus pi r square minus r square. So ultimately we get the TSA is equal to 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi capital R square minus r square, which is the formula to find out the total surface area of a hollow cylinder. Now if you have to find the volume of the hollow cylinder, again it is very simple. It is a uniform figure. Therefore find the area of the base ring and multiply by the height. The area of the base ring, as we know, it is pi r square minus r square, and multiply by the height, that is into h. Therefore the volume of the hollow cylinder is V is equal to pi r square minus r square into h. Now since there is a material used in forming a hollow cylinder, we can even find out the mass of the material. The mass of the material can be found out by multiplying the volume of the hollow cylinder into density of the material. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square minus r square into h, and the density of the material will be known to us, and finding out multiplying the density of the material and the volume of the hollow cylinder, we get the mass of the material. So that is what is the study of the hollow cylinder. Try to remember the important formulas and also how to find the mass of the material of hollow cylinder, and that is the study of hollow cylinder. Make a note of this and remember. Thank you.